you'll find sometimes goldcrest will follow long-tailed ticks around. That's what I can hear at the moment. There's two over here. That's a good start. I couldn't get any photos, they're too quick. Let's go have a quick look at the lake. Still got goldcrests. Cormorant going over the lake there. Two cormorants. There's a goldcrest in that tree somewhere. That's a young oak, that tree there. Still got a goldcrest. Hopefully my phone will pick them up. Yeah. High pitched sort of call. Oh, green woodpecker. Sun's come out. It's lovely. Just have a quick look on the lake. Goldcrest. Got a cormorant over there. That light is stunning.